Hi guys, this is your doctor friend on the YouTube video, and today I'm gonna present to you a wonderful article which is about having fine dining on a terrace, and that too in Delhi. Dear friends, many of you must have been to Goa, Puducherry, Chicago, Italy, Spain, and many other European countries, and you all must have had a wonderful dinner or snacks or even some drinks at a terrace in a good restaurant at these places. So why can't we have the same in Delhi? Now with the advent of coronavirus, everyone is fearing air conditioned closed dining halls. So this is a wonderful idea which need to be inculcated in our Delhi culture. So this article is published in Times of India on 24th of June, Wednesday. So this article of 24th June in Times of India says that restaurant culture on terrace should come up in Delhi. So I'm not going into the details. The article focuses on very popular owners all over the world who are Indians, have settled abroad, have got good restaurants in US, Europe, but want to set up shop in Delhi. They want to come in Delhi and want to set such kind of restaurants where you can also use terrace, but they do not find support from the local authorities. This whole article is about that, and they particularly mention Mehrauli, which can be a good hub in this regard. As written here, in America, the authorities allowed him to serve in open areas, set tables on sideways, and supported him financially. So foreign countries are even supporting them financially, but in India we cannot even give them license to operate. So as we know all in India, you need to bribe so many to set up your shop. So things are not easy. Doing business or dhanda in India and that to Delhi is not that easy. Local municipal authorities, babus, all will create obstacles for you. So article says a lot about Milan. He's taking names of Indian people. He's saying, local authorities help is required. So as you can see, in the time of coronavirus, especially if you are on a terrace of a restaurant and having some drinks or lunch or dinner in open, especially dinner, because in Delhi, especially summers, at least evenings and night are quite cool, so you can afford to. Now I have marked something to tell you, and that is, now with the advent of coronavirus, we all know that social distancing is required, and terraces are a wonderful idea. It will create employment for many fine dining restaurants and others, resorts and all. They are already shut. So if the local authorities, municipal corporations just give a thought to it and help these people, at least allow them open. If you can't afford to help them financially or any other way, at least you can give the permission. That's it. Those of you who have been to Goa, just see along the Kalangut beach, there are so many restaurants which have terraces, and you enjoy so much. In Delhi, people are drinking in car, then which many local people do not like it. Those in the neighborhood and all. So why not have so many restaurants so that when there is so much of supply, the cost will come down to some extent, rather to a larger extent, and people will enjoy. So why can't we have such kind of lifestyle in Delhi? If those who fear law and order, already there are so many. We put CCTV and put the bouncers over there. So as somebody has written, you need out of box thinking in this regard. So extraordinary situations demand extraordinary action, and that is extraordinary actions are out of the box thinking. That is why Chinese are popular. We keep on criticizing Chinese, but we should also learn from them. We cannot beat China and other countries in terms of lifestyle or exports or good income unless until we adopt innovative ideas. So let us adopt innovative ideas and let us make all Delhi a very happening place where people yearn to come and spend money. That is what is required.